Hi, thanks so much for stopping by today. I've got my March Quilty Box. I did slice the tape open, but I haven't opened it. I want to be surprised just as much as you do. So here we go. It's all contained in this square area here, so let's just move the box out of the way. So we have our Quilty Box Bundles of Inspiration. Oh, what a lovely picture. I love that. I'd love my room to look like that. So cute and colorful, bright. And we have our message from Patrick. Then we have what's inside the classic Quilty Box, which is what I have here. What's inside the Quilty Box Mini. Introducing the Paper Pieces Quilting Box, so you can get a paper piecing box. And you can sign up for, on all of these, you can get month-to-month, 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription. So you can prepay for the whole month. And you save, for each one you do, you save a little bit more. You can meet your featured artists. This is Sherry and Chelsea. And there's usually some Q&As here with them. A lot of them. It makes a good read. This is called Walkabout Flower Boxes by Sherry McConnell. So this is a pattern, tells you how to make those. Shows you the fabrics that you would be using to make the same pattern. And then there's the pattern. This is Walkabout Stars by Paper Pieces. That's cute. All the directions for that. I'm not ready for that. I know it's paper piecing, but that's still... I'm still working on mine. Quilts for Kids. That's a box you can get as well. Take a Walkabout. We're delighted to feature Walkabout, the 7th collection from the delightful Sherry and Chelsea for Moda Fabrics this month. And then there's tips for English paper piecing. History of the log cabin block. Did you know you can start with any shape as your hearth? Build a log cabin style quilt using any shape at the center of your blocks, creating a fun opportunity for improv. And you can shop. You can get some of the past Quilty boxes and some supplies. They usually have a lot of those on sale as well. Subscriber Spotlight is Nancy Mack. And a sneak peek at next month's featured quilter, Caroline Friedlander. So let's see what's inside. Okay, what is this? It's called Your Nest. Keep Stuff Handy. Craft tools, kitchen gadgets, recipe cards, pens, pencils, envelopes, scissors, flashcards, readers, stamps, coupons, and other nest-worthy stuff. So, let's see. I think I can... Oh, it's all stuck here. Let me get my scissors. This looks interesting. Oh, okay. So you can put like a recipe card there. Like you can put like a recipe card there. That works good. Stick things in here. Oh, I guess you could also do it like this. So that's kind of cool. Very interesting. Oh, I guess we gotta get the book open for that. It's called Your Nest Organizer, and it retails for $18.95. And we have some Aurifil thread. It's kind of an off-white color. Here is the numbers. And the Aurifil thread is 50 weight, 200 yards for $4.99. We have a clover seam ripper. Let's see if I can get this open. Here it is. The clover seam ripper retails for $4.50. There's that. That's a nice little shape. I know you probably have a lot of seam rippers, but let me tell you, I can never find one when I need it. So, it's always good to have extra. This is the Walkabout fabric bundle. And this retails for $25. So pretty. I love this color, this coral color. Let's see here. We can kind of get this open a little bit. Okay, here we go. There's this pretty one with the flowers. So you get 8. Let's see what size they are. Reminiscent of the Southwest style, Walkabout takes fabric lovers on a whimsical journey. Sherry and Chelsea's newest line with Moda fabrics includes a color palette of fresh prints as well as naturals. It doesn't say what sizes they are. Let's see. There's 8 cuts, 18.5 by 22. And they are 100% cotton. And it's made in Japan. So we've got all these items here. And then the bundles of inspiration with the patterns is retails for $10. It says the Walkabout Flower Boxes Table Runner. One of Sherry and Chelsea's favorite blocks, the log cabin, comes to life in Walkabout fabrics with this delightful table runner. Create 5 log cabin blocks in 2 layouts with your Quilty Box Fat Quarter Bundle. So, that was a, okay, so that is the table runner. So that's pretty easy, like, starting project. So you make 2 of one and 3 of the other. So that might be pretty easy to start project. So that is everything. You've got the nest, the seam ripper, your thread, and your bundle of fabrics. And your patterns. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. See ya.